I have a Merlin Express by Veritronics. A font module comes in it. This is some old, early 90s or 2000s maybe technology. I'm not sure. But these are the font modules that fit in there. And you can see it's really a beautiful looking circuit board. It's a very quality built unit, and within it comes all these different little cards, and each one of these cards is a different font. Boy, things have changed, haven't they? Helvetica 12 point, 10 point. And I guess you fill this little thing up with the different fonts you want, and this is the module that goes in there. Now I've already taken some of the screws out, but I haven't opened it up. They come with these little cartridges you have to buy that are basically like printer ribbons in there. And these fit right in here. Chink. And it prints labels out of the side. So you take this off. I guess I won't be needing this part anymore. And what do we have here? What's this? I already took the screws out of this thing. So this is the font module here. Or the part, not the font module, but the part that reads the stuff. Oh wow. Okay, so we're going to unhook all these. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful looking circuit board. What do we got here? This is a on-off button. So what we're going to do is salvage that. Oops. Okay, so in order to save that thing, I'm going to grab my soldering iron here. Yeah, there we go. Almost there. Alright, there's our button. Better get my little portable fan. I just built this little portable fan for putting on boards while I'm desoldering them. Okay, so we've got this. This is a really well-built unit. Alright, there we have the font module, and wow, it's got like at least 2 different good motors in there, which I'm definitely going to keep. Boy, they sure make them challenging, I'll tell you that. There we go. All right. One motor. I'll be using a lot of these wires for building guitars. The circuit boards, however, wow, that's a beautifully made circuit board. Wow, I like this a lot. It's gorgeous. Definitely gonna have to use this for something. One of my projects. I wonder if those chips are worth a damn thing. Probably not. Alright, what do we got here? Alright, what do we got here? A little module here. Set that aside. Pull these apart. Got some more wires. Capacitor. Alright. A wrapped magnet. Another wrapped magnet. And I think that's about all I wanted out of this part. The rest is trash. Yep. Well, what do we got here? And here. Yep. I'm gonna need my other screwdriver for this one. I'm not really prepared with a small bit. Interesting. I'm sure I could find some use for that. There we go. Okay. Now all of this stuff just looks like junk. But this motor, this is a good quality little motor. Oh yeah, it's beauty. Oh, that's a good one. Rotary digital actuator type DD2 Sankyo. Okay, I like it. That can all go in the garbage. And this can go in the garbage. Except for the wires. I want to keep the wires. Because those will be wonderful for the inside of guitars. Bank. Trash. I'll keep the circuit boards. And I'll keep the tape just for now. This part though, this is cool. So we got a couple motors. We got 1, 2 motors and a couple of magnets, a switch, some capacitors, and this thing which I could probably sell on eBay or something if I wanted to, I guess. Oh, look at how that looks. That is so trippy. Huh. A pointless screen, but you never know. I don't know why it doesn't want to work or pop out. It's not that. Let's see. What could it be? I guess we'll leave that together for now. And that was the tearing apart of an old Merlin Express. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't ask me why I recorded it.